Yo guys, it's Ish Gaming here. Today we are comparing a 1,200 pounds gaming PC and phone. We're pitting a custom-built PC against a top-tier gaming phone. Both are gonna set you back 1,200 quid. Which one reigns supreme? Let's dive in. We all know PC gaming is king, right? And phones are still behind. For 1,200 pounds, you can get some serious horsepower in both camps. It's time to see who comes out on top. Buckle up, because this is gonna be good. Let's break it down head to head. We're talking pure gaming performance here. No fluff, just frames. First up, the PC. We're talking a Ryzen 5 9600X. That's a 6-core, 12-thread beast. Paired with that, an RTX 5070. No DLSS shenanigans here, just raw graphical power. 32 gigabytes of RAM to keep things snappy, and a spacious 2TB NVMe SSD to store all your games. Now the phone. This ain't your normal everyday phone. We're talking a 4.32 GHz 8-core CPU. That's right, 8 cores of mobile mayhem, backed up by an Adreno 830 GPU, 24 gigabytes of RAM for smooth multitasking, and a 1TB fast SSD for lightning-fast load times. Both of these contenders are packing serious heat, but which one delivers the better gaming experience? Let's find out. To keep things fair, we're connecting both our PC and phone to a 144Hz 1080p monitor and a controller, since the phone can't play keyboard and mouse on Fortnite. We're talking buttery smooth gameplay, baby. We're putting these machines through their paces with 3 popular games: Minecraft, Fortnite, and Genshin Impact. Each game represents different genres and graphical demands. This will give us a good idea of how these machines perform in various scenarios. Get ready for some epic battles and breathtaking visuals. Who will emerge victorious in this ultimate showdown? Let's be real, folks. The PC destroys the phone in this face-off. Why? Uncapped frame rates, baby. The PC is pushing buttery smooth frames in all 3 games. The phone, capped at 60 frames per second, just can't keep up. Look, I do play a bit of mobile games on the go, but for raw power and performance, nothing beats a custom-built PC. This is just my opinion, of course. But come on, who doesn't love cranking those settings to the max and watching those frames soar? PC gaming is king all the way, and that's a fact.